Learning that the centre is framing a new law that will, for the first time ever, give India's national drug regulator powers to take direct action against violators, strengthening its role in ensuring the quality and the safety of medicines, medical devices and cosmetics. Himani, this is another step in this direction.
Right, Griha, we have been, India was working on this particular set of law from many years now. The current Drugs and Cosmetics Act, which is in place and regulates all the provisions related to the sale, manufacturing, import, export of drugs, medical devices and cosmetics, was made in 1940. So the revision of this particular law was very important. Now, considering we come back to the current prevailing situations, and I'll tell you, this cough syrup incident of DEG contamination, during this, what we saw that because health is a state subject, the Tamil Nadu drug regulator, where the Sreesan Pharma was situated, the company that was liable for the death of several children in Madhya Pradesh, the regulator, Tamil Nadu drug regulator, only suspended its manufacturing license. The production was on hold. However, the center has to request the state drug regulatory authority to cancel its licenses, which is a permanent measure. You have to apply again for license if your license is suspended. However, if your production is only halted, it's a temporary measure. You can anyway start production again after a small process. Hence, here it shows that center did not have enough power, even after knowing that the product of that particular company was contaminated and responsible for so many deaths. Now, coming back to this law, which government is again in the making, and while the sources did not tell us that by when government is likely to present this in parliament and by when this is likely to be executed, however, government sources told us that they are reworking on certain provisions, and the main highlight of this law will be it will give center equal powers to states. While sources tell us that this is not going to dilute the power of the state drug regulators, however, it is going to give more teeth to the center regulators as well.
Absolutely, Himani. Thank you so much for all of that information. With that, we slip into a very short break. News and updates continue on the broadcast.